Mozzarella. Susa. We got a lot of green here. And she chose to be right in the middle of it. Look at that. Yes, such a girl. Oh, she likes Mama Nature. She likes Mother Nature. She likes to be in the middle of Mother Nature. Yeah. I'm gonna have barbecue today, so I'm gonna show you a little bit how it goes. Let me see. There it is. This is the meat that we're gonna have. Let's see where the doggy is. Where is the doggy today? There she is. I heard her. Sorella. Hello, darling girl. How's my boo-boo? Want to say hi to the camera? Say hello, camera. Hello, friends. Bless you. Where are you barking at? Do you have friends? Do you have neighbor friends? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. So this is what we're doing. We're smelling around. Not the barbecue, but the Mother Nature. There we go. Okay, there we go. Azraela's Adventures. Yeah. Let's see. What do you want to do? Yeah? There it is. This is the meat that we're gonna have. Let's see where the doggy is. Where is the doggy today? There she is. I heard her. Sorella. Hello, darling girl. How's my boo-boo? Want to say hi to the camera? Say hello, camera. Hello, friends. Bless you. Where are you barking at? Do you have friends? Do you have neighbor friends? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. So this is what we're doing. We're smelling around. Not the barbecue, but the Mother Nature. There we go. Okay, there we go. Azraela's Adventures. Yeah. Let's see. What do you want to do? Yeah? We're barking at the neighbor's dog. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the cake. So I'm at the library again, where I sat down here, and I just saw these little birdies. So we have two baby birdies. They're over here. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Two baby birdies. Oh. Yes, I know. Look at them. This is the library where I sit. And I got the little birdies. Their mamas are protective in the tree somewhere. But they know we're not going to do anything to harm them. Hi everyone. I am walking with the dog today. Here she is. Sarah, you want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, we're walking. Here we go. Oops. She's smelling something. It's kind of overcast today. It was a little bit drizzling yesterday, but now it's dry and we can walk. So I'm happy about that we can do our walk. There we go. Yeah. And here's the new house. Let me see if you can see it. Look how beautiful it is. It's coming along really nice. From the tiny house that was before to this beautiful big house. Let's see. It's looking good. Oh, Joella, come to mommy. Okay. Here we go. Beautiful house. So that's coming along nice. And we're at the park. And we have some music because it's Sunday and people are having maybe barbecues and things, right? And yeah, that's all that we have right now. We're just walking. We reached our dirty bench. I don't think I'm gonna sit on this one. It's a little bit dirty. Sorella, you wanna say hi? Hold on. Okay, here we go. Sorella, you wanna say hi, Mama? Say hi. Where is she? There she is. Okay, so let's go this way. And yeah, I have something that I'm gonna put on the bench so I don't get wet. And actually, let's throw this out. So that's all that's happening today. So here's the park. We came back to the park. And here is Azarella. There she is. Say hello. Say howdy. Howdy, Zarella. How are you feeling? Yeah, I see it's wet. Look how wet it is. If you look here, you're gonna see the wet. Yeah, but she's enjoying. She's enjoying the nice park and the music. Yeah, we're very comfy right now. We're sitting at the corner. And look at this girl. Yeah, look at these little paws. Look at these little paws. Little paw after little paw. Yeah, she's a cutie. She's a cutie right here. We got a cutie. Look at these little legs. Look at those little legs. Yeah, very fancy girl. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, girl. No, you don't want to. You don't want to go. Come on, let's go. No? Come on, let's go. All right, let's go. Go, 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 Gina. These are the porch lights. And here we go. Taking a look at the moon. Look at this. How beautiful, how clear. The dark clouds from the other day are gone. And we have a full moon. How beautiful. Yeah. Time to let go of stuff that's not needed. Time to let go of whatever is not helpful. It's a good night for that. I shall see you next time. Bye. This is the moon again. It's a different angle and I love it because it doesn't come so good in the shot, but in real life it's so much bigger and so beautiful and bright. So yeah, I'm enjoying tonight, the clarity of tonight, and